Hello everyone, welcome back to Zap Mobility. Today we're discussing the big question. Can electric vehicles actually save you money? Whether you own a fleet of vehicles or are just considering one EV, we'll break down the real costs, the savings, and whether going electric makes financial sense. The perception is that EVs can come with a higher price tag than traditional petrol cars. But in Nigeria, this is not actually the case, particularly when you're purchasing EVs from China, which Zap specializes in. In fact, many of the newer Chinese EVs can be cheaper than their petrol equivalents. For example, a 2024 Leapmotor C11 costs around 70 million Naira, whereas a 2024 Toyota Prado costs over 100 million Naira. And when you consider the significantly lower fuel and maintenance costs, you're saving even more each year. Let's break down fuel costs. Take a commuter that is driving a petrol-powered vehicle that will typically need to be filled with petrol twice a week. This will cost in the region of 500,000 to 600,000 Naira per vehicle per month. To cover the same distance or do the same driving time with an EV will use no more than 500 kilowatt hours per month. This will give 2,500 kilometers of driving at a cost of around 115,000 Naira per month. This is a saving of 4.5 million to 6 million Naira per car per year, a huge saving. Now, if you imagine switching a fleet of 25 petrol cars to EVs, this would save you up to 150 million Naira in fuel costs alone each year. That's massive. Now let's talk about maintenance costs. Petrol vehicles come with higher maintenance requirements, oil changes, spark plugs, air filters, and more. This is because petrol cars are more complex. This means that maintenance costs for a petrol vehicle fleet of 25 can easily run between 30 and 55 million Naira annually. In contrast, EVs don't require oil changes or frequent part replacements, reducing annual maintenance costs by up to 50%. If you are operating a fleet of vehicles, that's a savings of up to 28 million Naira per year. So not only are you spending less on parts, but your vehicles are also spending less time in the shop and more time on the road. So let's put it all together. Switching to EVs could save you up to 130 million Naira every single year. Can EVs save you money? Absolutely. With 70% savings on fuel, 40% savings on maintenance, and huge overall cost reductions, EVs offer clear financial advantages with Zap Mobility.